do you have? Could this be number 2 in terms of overtime? But Benedicto just piled it in from three-point country.
Intel will foul out.
That's a big blow to the cause of the Cardinals, but
Ito yung malaking 3-point
Oo.
shot ni Benedicto.
the smile, tingnan mo yung ngiti niya niya.
And
yes.
the intensity
Woo!
for Benedicto.
Extended play dito sa 73rd season ng NBA.
Obviously, naapektuhan niya kanyang unang free throw shot. Big ang pagano nila dito. Kung mananalo sila, this would be a big win for them. Finally,
He's got to put it up. It doesn't go in. And Mapua could hang on. They could hang on to the ladder and win. Meanwhile, a foul. Efren Garcia Jr.
He missed.
Pag-asa pa nga naman eh. They've got 6.6 seconds to try to score a three-point shot. Here is Calagio looking for the equalizer. Calagio! Yes!
what a shot!
Calagio!
What a shot!
And we're into the second overtime. The three-point shot. Here it comes in slow-mo. Bendigo!
Right in time to tie the overtime period.
And somewhere, well, ang bumitaw po sa Mapua in terms of fouls. 3 minutes of the overtime period. Second, Garcia. What a shot there by Garcia. A lot of confidence. The setup. Here is Viloria. He has already drilled one. There's the second one in second overtime.
Tama ka.
Tingin sa orasan. Lumapit. He's got to take it. The handoff. Yes! To Mike Garcia.
Big play for Chris Calagio. Bola sa litran, who will, I'm sure, waste a lot of seconds. They
But
got
the cross court, the three-point shot. Benedicto. We still have a ball game.
Oh, pero yung iba naman mga Escalana nga maglalaban-laban. Kailangan ng quick foul ng Mapua dito, pero they forced the turnover.
Yes. What?
3 free throws.
Bernales, the pass against Saklot, and Benedicto holding on. This could be it. With 1.6 seconds remaining.
Bernales was put into this ball game for the